Hi and welcome. I'm happy to see you here. I believe you are interested in my monthly membership and you want to know more about it, or you maybe have just joined and you want to know where to find all the content. So let's start with the tiers. I have two tiers, the supported tier and the mixed media play tier. If you have joined as a supporter, you're going to support my free Wednesday videos, which go up each week, and you are going to get early access on them. I'm also going to prioritize your comments, so if you have any questions, just post them in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you are on the mixed media play tier, you will get a mixed media process video every other Saturday. And there are already almost 40 videos up that you can watch instantly after you have joined. So that's quite a lot. And in addition to these Saturday videos, there are also a few, not a few, I would say around 20 or 25 bonus videos up with just content that comes in unplanned. It's like art supply hauls, book reviews, or just techniques or ideas I want to share with you. It might be interesting for you if you have just joined where you can find the older content, the previous videos that had been released, and you will find them in the YouTube playlist in the process video list for members. And there's also a list with bonus videos for members. But to make it easier for you, I have a contents page on my website, and I'm going to put a link in the video description here, and you can jump over, and there you will get an overview on all the videos that are already up. There's a photo, there's a short description, what it's all about, and an instant link to that video. So it's really easy for you to decide which video you want to watch. And I think that makes it easier. I'm constantly updating the contents page whenever a new video goes up. I'm going to update that page so it's always a place where you can come back to and have a look. Yeah, in case you're joining my membership, thank you so much. You're supporting my channel, you are supporting my art, and it helps me out a lot. I'm really happy to share with you my experiences in art and also my way of working, my ideas and techniques, and I really try to give you as many tips as possible. Whenever you have a question, feel free to post that in the comments of the video and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah, and now I wish you a lovely rest of the day and stay creative. Bye.